Hi friends, welcome back to Team Education. Friends, in this video we are discussing uses of scientific calculator. Based on the student interest, I am doing this video. Friends, after watching this video, if you are understood, then please like and comment, share it to your friends also. In this channel I have uploaded around 500 plus videos, especially in engineering mathematics only. Okay, differential equation, linear algebra, sequences series, infinite series, curve fitting. Okay, these all are I have done. Friends, those are very useful. Okay, anyhow, coming to the topic. Now you see friends, here scientific calculator I am showing you. You see, this scientific calculator is the latest version. It is a latest version. Okay friends, now this is the name is here Fx991EX model. The difference of this one and the old one is only the thing is, here you can find out 4 by 4 matrix determinant, and you can find out a system of equations with 4 unknowns solution. Roots you can find out for the system of equations with 4 unknowns. Okay, that is a special difference between this one and old one. Okay friends, now you see, I will explain here first what we can do with this calculator means in the engineering. Friends, you see, it is a menu. Okay, in the menu, first button you see friends, what you have, first one is calculate. Calculate means what we can do means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, these 4 only. Normal calculator we have a normal calculator, with that what we can do, that one we can do in the first mode. If you press 1, then this is a normal mode only. Okay, now press 2, you see friends, 2 button if I am pressing, then what we have, you see here 2 is nothing but a complex. In the complex numbers what we can do means go for the options. In this one, press 2, go for options. What you can do means argument, conjugate, argument of the complex number, conjugate of the complex number. Suppose a plus ba if they are given, you can find out a minus ba. In that real part and imaginary part you can find out. You see friends, this is a cursor, downside also you have something, angle you can find out, and a plus ib form you can find out here, and these are common friends, hyperbolic and angle unit engineering symbols are that is a common. So these you can do by using the second option. Okay friends, now go for AC again, menu. In this one, third option you see friends, third one what you have actually, third one is base n. I don't know about base n, I don't have any knowledge, so I am not explaining about this. Next, fourth one we have, fourth one is here we have a matrices. Friends, you have a fourth one option is a matrices. With this matrices what we can do means, you see friends, go for options, here press AC. When you are press 4 button, you see friends, now we are in 1, let it be, nothing happen here. Press 4, then you are in a matrix mode, press AC, you will get here matrix. In your calculator might be beside of D you can find out MAT. Now we are in a matrix mode. Okay, now what we can do with this matrix mode means, here D is nothing but degrees friends, D is nothing but degrees. Okay, now go for option. With this matrix what we can find out means, define a matrix. Just suppose, you see friends, I will explain here. First we have linear algebra main concept, we have matrices, yes or no. In this matrices, first we will define a matrix A, that is order, maximum order 4 by 4 you can define friends, 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, like 4 by 4 we can define. And if suppose it is a square matrix, you can find out the determinant, you can find out the determinant. Okay, and if you know the determinant, you can say the rank of the matrix, yes or no. If you know the determinant, you can say rank of the matrix. Friends, you can also find out the row echelon form, like suppose R2 tends to R2 minus R1. You don't have like R2 R1 keys, but we have some special keys friends. What are the special keys you have? You see A, B, C, D. If you press alpha and this bracket, okay, press AC. Now I am going for the normal one, and now you see alpha A, so you will get A, and alpha this one B, and this is alpha C, and this is if you press D. So like this you can get here. Okay, now this one you can write as, suppose row 1 is R, row 1 if you consider as A, row 2 you consider as a B, row 3 is you consider as a C, row 4 you consider as a D. Then here suppose if you have like this R2 minus 3 R1, you can say R2 is nothing but what, B, B row tends to B minus 3 times of A row. Like this we can write, and we can get the echelon form, we can do echelon form, next column operations, row operations we can do. With that you can also find out Gauss elimination, Gauss Jordan method. Okay friends, next you see In the matrix what we can do more, I will tell you here. Matrix means this is the fourth one. Now press AC. Friends, you see here, first what we have to do means we have to define a matrix. We have to define a matrix. Now if you press AC, sorry, press 1, define a matrix means first you have to give name, mat A, mat B, mat C, mat D. Friends, mat A, if you are pressing mat A, if you are giving a name, then how many rows? This is the latest version calculator, I told you already. So 4 by 4 matrix you can define 4, rows are 4 and columns are 4. So you can define a 4 by 4 matrix. With this what you can do, press AC. Friends, AC is nothing but it is not all clear the meaning of in the calculator, it will be a minimize only. Now press option. Now what you can find out means, you see friends, it gives, this is up joystick, generally what you can do this one. Now down joystick, you see math answer. Suppose mat A is there, you can find out mat A square, matrix A cube, matrix A power 4 also. Okay. Next, polynomial of a matrix also you can get. Polynomial of a matrix gives a characteristic equation. Cayley-Hamilton theorem means what? Every square matrix which satisfies the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So lambda cube you can replace it by A cube. So that polynomial solution also you can find out here, right friends. Next, determinant. If the determinant is 0, then you can say A is a singular matrix. If determinant is not equal 0, then A is a non-singular, then rank will be n. Next, transpose. Of course, transposition, you know, identity matrix, identity also it's not an issue. Okay, these all are you can do, friends. Now next, friends, this is with the using a matrix. Suppose if you have the Cayley-Hamilton theorem like lambda cube minus 6 lambda square plus 11 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0, if you have, then we are replacing this one with capital A. It is a polynomial in terms of lambda. So function in terms of lambda, f of lambda is a characteristic equation is equal to 0. So it will become a polynomial of A, that is 6A square plus 11A. If you done, friends, you will get a matrix like this, friends, 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6 you will get. So you can verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Not only verify, you can find out the A inverse also. You see in the calculator, have you A inverse means you don't have a inverse. But what is actually formula? A inverse is equal to, A inverse is adjoint A by det A. Okay friends, now you see in the calculator what you can find out means you can find out the determinant only. So I can find out only determinant. I can find out only determinant. Okay, now after that, but I need A inverse. Where I can get A inverse means, you see friends, press AC, go for options. In this one, press mat A. Now you see friends, here you have inverse button. Where you have, you see, this is a x dash means x power 1, x power 2, x power 3, x power 4. You can do anything, you can take here. Now x inverse, this is matrix A inverse. Next, what you have to do means, you see friends, this is det A into matrix A inverse, which gives what? A inverse into det A. A inverse into det A gives what? Adjoint A. So you can find out A inverse also. A inverse also you can find out. Yes or no? Are you clear? Right. Next, so you can find out the, by using the matrices, what we can find out? We can find out the determinant. Based on that you can say the rank of the matrix, and you can also find out the transpose of the matrix, and you can find out polynomial, characteristic polynomial, that is this one, and you can find out the A inverse. Yes or no? These all you can do. Not only this one, friends, and you see, next go for the another option, press mode. Now fifth one, you see friends, this is the vectors. Vectors generally we are not using in engineering, might be in mechanical students and civil students, those people will use, but I am not going to explain this one here. Okay, next press AC. Now press 5 is completed. Next to sixth one, friends. Sixth one is here. This is a, okay, I will tell you one moment please. Press AC. Sixth one is sixth one. This is sixth one. Now if you press 6, you have a variance. A plus bx, a plus bx plus ex square, a plus b into log x. Next, a plus a into e to the power of bx, a into b power x, a into x power b, a plus x by b. Friends, what are these all? You know, these all are where we can get, you know, curve fitting. In the curve fitting, we can find out the straight line a plus bx form. You see friends, y is equal to a plus bx form you can find out. Next, parabola, exponential curve. This is a parabola, friends, a plus bx plus cx square. Next, this is non-linear equation. This is linear equation means only straight line, friends. Non-linear we have a different one, is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation, parabola you can say, and this is a these two are algebraic function. This is a non-algebraic function. You can find this one. Exponential you can do, power functions you can do. These all are we can do, friends. Here what we have to do means we have to give xy values, then you will get this result. Okay, we will, while solving the problem you can get in detail. Okay, now I am giving the basic concepts only. Okay, press AC button here. So statistics here, very useful, friends. You know, if you are studying the probability and statistics, you know, suppose if they are given a find a correlation coefficient, rank correlation coefficient, if you want to find, within a minute you can find out, friends, within a minute. That is the second advantage here, okay. Now next one, you have a seventh one, you see, friends, seventh one, what I have, distributions. So here in this distribution, we can find out normal, Poisson, inverse normal, binomial. Of course these are this is useful for the intermediate only, intermediate concept it is useful for us, okay. Now down joystick here, binomial CD, Poisson PD, Poisson CD, okay, these only we can find out here. Anyhow, we are not using, especially intermediate only it will useful for us in the intermediate, okay. Anyhow, next one, press AC, go for eighth one, you see, friends, spreadsheet. This is also we are not using, specially in the OR it will be useful, but I didn't use till now. Anyhow, next one, table, friends. This is very important, friends. It is very useful to you. You know, do you remember that in the intermediate you done like suppose if they are given f of x, friends, you see f of x like one moment please. You see, friends, in the 9th class you did, suppose if they are given y is equal to x square, what you did here, like you taken the values of x values and corresponding y values, you are getting like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, you are taken and you got values, is yes or no. But in this case what they will give, you know, they will give a function with the limits, they will give a and b. Now we have to fit the curve, perfect curve we need to find out, like we need to find out, like they will ask y of 3, what is y of 4, next y of 5. So by using especially in the numerical solutions, numerical methods, we use this one. We have like a trapezoidal rule, Simpson 1/3 rule, okay, Simpson rule, Simpson 1/3 rule, okay. These all are also there, also we are using this calculator, okay. Remember, not only this, we have like in the numerical analysis we have a Runge-Kutta method, okay. Bisection method, very easy, friends. Bisection method we use this one, okay. Next one, like some more methods also there, okay. Next, Euler's also we can use this one. Anyhow, next, friends, I will tell you, listen. So functions are clear for you. For example, I will give one function for you. You see 1, okay, here not 1, I will give like this, 1 divided by x. X is where here, x here there, friends. So press alpha. Why we are pressing alpha means here closed bracket is only top one. Do you remember, friends, in the keyboard, keyboard in the laptop or else keyboard in the system, suppose if you want like capital letters, what we will do, shift A. So here we have two buttons, one is shift, another one is alpha. Shift is in yellow color, you see, friends. Shift closed bracket, if you press, what will happen, you see, shift this bracket, if you press comma, you will get, but we don't want comma. What we want, we want comma? No. This one, closed bracket you required? No. So what you required, actually we required x. For that, you see, friends, this is a fraction symbol, okay. Now alpha closed x, yes, x square I want, x square plus 1 now is equal to, so g of x also they will ask, like g of x, suppose if it is a 1. So what you can find here, the range, friends, I told you already from where to where you can find out means, okay, let it be -3, step ended with 3, step size is 1, press is equal to button, then what you are getting, you see, friends, here you will get the table. You see, if you press if you are given x is equal to -3, you are getting a table 0.1 like this. See, previously in the 9th class we are done table, if they are given, we got the equation, but here if they are given an equation with a range like a value, b values, if they are given, then we are getting like this. Clear, friends? Now press AC. These are also very useful, friends, in the probability, especially we are using this. Now next one, next what you have here, yes, 9th is also completed. A, yes, friends, this is very useful, especially in the maths. Linear system of equations are there. Do you remember, like they will give in this equation is in this form, like a1x plus b1y plus a11x1. One moment, friends, I will tell you, in the like a11x1, okay, plus a12x2 plus a13x3 is equal to like b1, like a21x1, a22x2, like this they will give, friends. What we will do, a1 augmented matrix we will write ab augmented matrix, a11, a12, a13, b1, okay. Like similarly a21, a22, a23, b2, next a31, a32, a33, B3. Okay, now we can give these 4 values in the calculator, friends. Okay, these values we can give and you can get the system of linear equations. But here you see this is a 3 by 4 matrix. Sir, how we can give 3 by 4 matrix in the calculator? You may get a doubt. Now I will show you, friends. Here you see, go for the equation. Equation symbol is what? A. Just simply press A, this button only, no need to go for alpha and this button. Okay, now press A here. You see, friends, we have like equations are 2 types. One is a simultaneous equation, another one is a polynomial equation. Friends, you see, if I written like this here, a11 plus a12, like suppose if I written x plus y is equal to 3, this is equation with 2 unknowns, x plus y plus 3, sorry, x plus y is equal to 3, 2x minus y is equal to 7 if I given. These are called system of linear equations with 2 unknowns, one is x, another one is 2, system of linear equations. So these are also called here system of linear equations, friends. What about the polynomial equation? Suppose if I given 2x square plus 3x, 2x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 is there. So it is a quadratic equation, cubic equation, biquadratic equation. Those are called polynomial equations, friends. Okay, so if you press 2, what will happen? You see, they will ask a degree. Degree 1, degree 2, degree 3 only they you can find out. Suppose degree 3, friends, there. Suppose if I have a equation, you see here you have a cube minus 6a square plus 11a is equal to 6i you have now. I will go for that one. So we can find out the eigenvalues, friends. You can find, if you want a complementary function also, we can find out complementary function. If it is a differential equation, auxiliary equation is m cube. See, auxiliary equation I am writing here, friends, m cube minus 6m plus 6m square plus 11m minus 6 is equal to 0. This is a auxiliary equation, the differential equation. Yes or no? Might be sometimes you may get a, suppose if I written like this, this is a gives a which one, characteristic equation. Okay, so you can get the eigenvalues. Similarly, you can get the roots for the auxiliary equation. So now I will show you this one. You see, friends, it is a cubic equation. So what is the m cube quotient? You see, this is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0 form. Okay, now what is a is nothing but m cube quotient. M cube quotient is 1 plus is equal. Next one, b means x square quotient, what I have, minus 6. Next, m quotient is what here, 11 is equal to. Next you have like constant. What is the constant? I have minus 6. Now you press is equal button. You see, friends, what you are getting, x1 is equal to 1, so m is equal to 1. Next, what about the x2? Press is equal button. x2 is 3, x3 is 2, so 1 comma 3 comma 2. Friends, you remember sometimes the root will be repeat. Suppose if the roots are repeated, one root will be appear, another root won't be appear, that you remember. So how can I justify, sir? Suppose if they are given a 3 comma 3 comma 2 are the roots, but in the calculator you have like 3 and 2 only, not first 3 they are given, next 2 they are given. This is x1 they are saying, this is x2 they are saying. What about x3? x3 you cannot find out when the root is repeated in the calculator. But how can identify, you see the last term, you multiply this one, you see roots, if you multiplied 1 into 3 into 2 what? 6. Yes, you have a 6 or not? Similarly you have to multiply this. Then suppose if you have like last one 18, might be sometimes you may get a 12. Suppose if it is 18 is there, last term is like minus 18 is there or minus 12 is there, then which one is the root? Means in this one 2 comma 3 is a common. Okay, 3 comma 2 is a common. Suppose minus 18 is there, 3 2s are what? 6, 6 3s are 18. So here for the 18 3 is the root. Suppose if minus 12 is there, 3 2s are 6, so next one is what? 2 is the root. Clear? Like that also we have to remember, friends. Okay, is it clear? I hope it is clear. Right, roots whenever repeated, they won't show x1 x2 x3. Again x1 x2 only repeat. Suppose one is repeated 3 times, they won't give 3 times, only 1 time they will give. Okay na? Right, next one, press AC. Next go for friends, always if you want to come back means one only, better option. Again go for menu. In this one A completed na, friends, A completed. Next one you have a B. B is inequalities, friends. Inequalities you have in the OR only, so we won't discuss. Next one ratios. Ratios are also we won't discuss. This is about the calculator. Okay, friends. So calculator where we can use, especially you see matrices, we can find out, we can justify the rank of the matrix whenever they are given a square type. Okay, square matrix determinant we can find out, based on that you can define a rank. Next row operations also we can do this one by using consider A is a row 1, B is a row 2, C is row 3, D is a row 4 like. Okay, even column operations also we can do. So echelon form we can do, normal form we can do. Next in the Gauss elimination method, what we will do, R2 by R1 type only na. So Gauss elimination we can do, Gauss Jordan also we can do, inverse also we can find out by using the calculator. I told you already. You see, this is finding the inverse method. Okay, so matrices we are using like that. Next we can find out the characteristic equation roots. Characteristic equation roots if you are done, then what you can say, those are eigenvalues. So we can find out the eigenvalues. Next what we can find out means, verify the Cayley-Hamilton theorem also you can do. Already I gave you a cube minus 6a square plus 11a is equal to minus 6i equal 0 means this one you have a 6i. So verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem also correct only. Next what you can do means diagonalization friends, diagonalization also P inverse AP you can do. Suppose if you want matrices are more, so you can define mat A and mat B. Now mat A, P inverse AB, P considered as a mat B. So B inverse AP means first I have to press 2, go for this is a 3 by 3 matrix I am giving 3 by 3. Okay, now press is equal button, press AC button. Next you see friends, go for options. Now mat B, B means P. Next option mat A is here 3. Next what I want actually mat B whole inverse na, so x inverse you press. Next is equal to into what you have, option mat A now B, P inverse A P, so B only. Now press 4, you see P inverse AP. So you can do the diagonalization also, you can verify friends. Is it clear for everyone? Next the vectors are orthogonal or not also you can verify. Row vector friends, okay, 1 by 3, 3 by 1 also you can take na, right. Next one what we can find out means here, solution of bisection method we can do. Already I told you bisection method, regular falsy method, next iteration method you can do, Newton-Raphson we can do. Calculator very important friends. If you have this calculator you can get around 30 to 40 marks easily. Okay, next one what we can do means interpolation we can do friends, like forward method, backward method means we require a table. Okay, tables we can do. In the probability we can find out the binomial distribution, normal distribution. Next what we can find out means statistics, especially important topic is curve fitting we can do friends. Curve fitting a line equation, I means linear equation, next parabola, next exponential, power function, these are you can do. Next in the numerical analysis we can do like a trapezoidal rule, Simpson 1/3 rule, Simpson 3/8 rule you can do. Next you can do what you can do means, yes, you can do the Taylor series expansion also you can utilize friends. You know one more thing also I want to say, it's a very interesting friends. You know tell me what is the integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx if they are given friends. Many of the students like me they will left. Okay, one moment please, I'll write again, 1 moment please. Now if they are given like in the exam sometimes may you will get a integration 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx is there friends. Khatam. If it is came this, then we are unable to do and we will leave. Many of them like me, not you, might be some people will leave like this, like me. Anyhow you see I'll tell you integration also you can do. You see the integration here, integration means here it is not came, why it is not came, whatever the limits are not came. So press AC, now go for. So if you are in a matrix mode you cannot get the integration. Sir, what to do, integration is not came means menu 1, enough. Now you press this button, you see, okay na. Suppose if there is any disturbance in this, just press menu and 1. Okay, now again go for the integration. What you want, 0 to pi by 2 cos square x. Cos is there, yes, cos is there. Square means yes, cos square x I required in this bracket, yes, x I have, close the bracket. Now the limits you see friends, limits are what you have, lower limit, yes, lower limit is 0. Next I want upper limit to pi. Where is there, where, yes, here you have, don't forget 10 power x you have a pi. Okay, e also here there. Here ln friends, ln means natural logarithm, base e. Okay, anyhow next if I require pi, shift pi, I want pi by 2 na, so press like this and down joystick you write 2 in the denominator, press is equal button, you see it is calculating, running. What do you have, 1.57 wrong, we may feel wrong, yes, but it is a correct only. Why it is showing like this, you know, see here what you have, d, it is also important friends, d is nothing but degrees, so we have to convert into radius. Actually 0 to pi by 2 means quadratic quadrants will be in radians only. Now we are taking, so 360 degrees we can write in the pi, radians we have to convert here. How we can convert the radians means shift menu setup. What you can set up here? Here you see down joystick, here you see I will show you, press 2 friends, y angle, those are angles only. Okay, now we are in degrees, what you required, radians you required, so press 2. Now you press is equal button, see pi by 4. So we can get like this. Clear for everyone? Not only this friends, cos 60 I don't know, cos 60 means pi by 3. Okay, alpha sorry this bracket what you have here, pi by 3 friends, upper is pi, where is pi, yes 10 power, so alpha this one pi by 3. Actually many of them like me they don't know, na? That is the reason I am explaining here. Cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2, that's it friends. Suppose if it is in a fraction or else root or something, then you press s, s d, s to d, d to s. Okay friends, like this we can change, decimal places it will be convert. Clear for everyone? Right friends, like this we can use a calculator. It's very easy friends. One more only I will show you. See, you will enjoy with this. Okay, one moment please. You see friends, integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x into sin 2x dx if they are given friends. If they are given this one, these all are we can get in the vector calculus. In the vector calculus, vector integration calculus we have a differentiation and integration. In the integration theorems we have friends, Green's theorem is m dx plus n dy is equal to double integral of, this is a single integral, dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x into dx is dy is there. So line integral also we can do friends with the limits. So this is if you consider as a line integral. Now I will show you, see what we have to do, press AC button. Now if you are in another mode, better to go for mode and menu and 1. Now here integration I want, so press integration button. Now cos x I want, so cos alpha close bracket x close into what you required, sin 2x, sin alpha x, oh alpha x alpha 2x alpha 2x. So left joystick, don't feel, okay, you can do like this, you can correct easily. Now limits I want, limits from 0, upper limit is what, pi by 2 fraction, so press this button, pi, where is pi, 10 power is there, so shift 10 power by 2 is equals, what you are getting, you see it is loading 2 by 3 answer. You can verify friends, you can do easily if you have a knowledge, otherwise you write down directly by using the calculator, you will get the score. Okay friends, right, I think you understood very clearly how to use the calculator friends. If you are understanding clearly, I am requesting you, please subscribe my channel and please share it to others. Please give a comment after watching every video, I will do more number of the videos for you. Okay friends, right, you can share your doubts to my WhatsApp number. Already I have given my WhatsApp number in the description, here I gave, you see friends, my number is WhatsApp number 9885875184. you can contact me at any time. Okay friends, just you share, take the pic and share your doubt only, not total solution. Remember, everything is free of cost only. Hope that you will subscribe and share it to others also. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.